Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Just a quick update. I'm trying to wrap up my airplane project. This combines some laser cut parts with plastic printed parts to make a model airplane kit. So I'm just about done wrapping this up. I'm going through a number of different design changes with the plastic parts. So I'm printing those on the two bamboos. And printing the wings, I tried to do it where I could split the wings in half using some special joints on those. But one of the reasons I did this, I've had a couple people ask me about the rat rigs, how I did the filament feed. And I've got it from the ceiling. I've just got all kinds of different hookups or hangers, you might call them, so that I can feed the filament from the ceiling. Another thing, some people ask about the filament out sensor I've got and how that works. Where I found out for a long time I didn't have any kind of sensor on it, but when it ran out or the filament broke, it was just a mess. So luckily I had about a 5-hour print going last week, and the filament broke right about in the middle of the print and it stopped. So I could fix it and start it up again. It came out perfect. So one of my friends, Tim from DeWitt 3D in Canada, he's building a rat rig that's going to be just about like this one, or modifying his rat rig. So this is how the filament sensor hooks up. And it just sits there right above the APUS extruder, and it just monitors the filament. And if there's nothing in it, it sends a signal or it completes the switch opens, and it tells the Clipper software to basically stop what it's doing, go to a corner, and just wait. So that's where that is. And so we'll see how these wings turn out. And so this one's printing the struts, and this one's going to be printing some more wheel assemblies. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. But I'll have this airplane kit posted on Printables. It's a fun little kit to print, and it could all be done in 3D printing or wood. So thanks a lot for watching.